Alright, many people want to know how to get their Chromebook set up so they can use it remotely from their desktop, so they can move around the room with their Chromebook and not have to sit at their desktop all day while they're teaching. So the first thing you'll need to do is do a Google search for Chrome Remote Desktop. Click on it, and then it'll take you here and you're going to get set up for your computer. Now I'm doing this at home on my laptop, but it works just the same on your desktop at school. So hit the download remote desktop, and you're going to add the extension to Chrome. Yeah, you will be needing to use the Chrome web browser because it is the Chrome remote desktop. So add to Chrome, add extension, click Save, and then accept and install. And then hit yes, of course. Then you wait for a minute or so. Okay, now you click on Turn On for the Setup Remote Access, and it's going to give you the computer that you're on as the one you want to access remotely. So you click Next, and then you're going to come up with a PIN number that you'll have to enter anytime you want to start remote access. And then you can unselect this if you want. I'll just leave it. Then click Yes. And now it is possible to access your computer remotely. Now you'll need to do the same thing on the Chromebook you plan to use, or whatever Chromebook you're signed into. So go do the same search on a Chromebook, and as long as you're signed into that Chromebook and signed into the web browser with your school account, then you'll be set. And just follow the same steps, and then you can access. If you have any questions, let me know. It should be pretty straightforward.